In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a comment in Google Sheets Mobile. So let's say you're working with someone on a spreadsheet and you have to write a comment on your mobile app. All you have to do is to tap on the cell where you want to add your comment, then go to this comment icon right here at the top. Once you tap on it, you have your comment section where there are no comments in the documents yet. But to add one, all you have to do is go to the bottom where this blue tab says Add a Comment. When you tap on that, you'll have the chance to type in your comment right away. So let's type in, let's say, can you add a chart to this? So since I'm only working with one other person, they'll be automatically notified of this comment. But if you're trying to tag someone specific, let's say you're working with multiple people on a single spreadsheet, you can easily add them or tag them by adding the @ sign right here. So now once I type in the @ sign, you'll have all your contacts at the top, which will be suggested, and you can just tap on their email address to tag them. But I'm not going to do that since I'm just collaborating with just one other person. So once you're done with your comment, you can just tap on this arrow right here to add your comment. Now our comments have been added. Now let's exit this. And you'll see if we zoom in, you'll have that yellow-orange triangle on the top right corner indicating that there's a comment. If you tap on it, you'll have the option to view the comment. Once you tap on it, there is your comment. So you can easily edit this by tapping on this 3-dotted line where you can edit, delete, or get a shareable link. You can also add a reply to your own comment, or that person can add their own reply by just tapping on Add a Reply. Let's exit this. Now, if we go back to the comment icon this time, we'll see our comment at the top. And if there are other comments in this spreadsheet, you will see them right here. And there you have it. That's how to add a comment in the Google Sheets mobile app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.